A modern piece of Aynsley bone china to show you now. Pembroke pattern, very well and easily recognisable. Floral chinoise sort of styling in it with bluebird or hummingbird in the foliage there. Rear of this one's just got lateral sort of branch design on it. No inner wall decoration. You can see how nice and see my hand reflecting through the porcelain here. So this is clearly a nice thin well moulded porcelain mug, late 20th century. No age to this really, probably 20 or 30 years. Fine bone china Aynsley, will have been made in England, or it doesn't actually say on that it has been. So can't always assume this with late production china. It was sometimes transferred to the Far East, Malaysia. Just one condition note on this, it has got a mark on here. I think this is a firing thing. You can feel it in the actual wall. No signs of it at all on the outer wall, but that we've tried removing it and it isn't. It is an actual manufacturing little anomaly that's occurred in the wall of this plate, sorry, this mug, and won't be removed, but that will obviously be reflected in the price. Would have been 25 or 30 quid new, and we'll be selling it for a lot less than that on the Vintage and Antiques website. And a very usable, nice piece of Pembroke Aynsley bone china, late 20th century.